Welcome back to Harry's Tech, everyone. Today we have some new details about Motorola's upcoming flagships from Evan Blass, as he has leaked here. We're going to start off with the PSTA R1 first, which is the maxed out flagship. It will come in Asia, Europe, Australia, Latin America and India. Has a 6.67 inch display at 1080p with 120Hz refresh rate and a center punch hole. It has the Snapdragon 870, which is weird because Motorola said they'll be using 888 this year. 6 to 8 to 12 gigabytes of RAM. The camera will have a 108 megapixel main, 16 megapixel ultra wide with a macro mode just like last year, and finally an 8 megapixel 5x optical zoom, along with a 16 megapixel main selfie camera in China and 32 megapixels globally. You will get a downside zone in the battery department at 4,500 mAh compared to 5,000 from last year, and it will come with Android 11 or have a black, white and blue colour. It has a mono speaker apparently, which is a disappointment because last year's had a stereo speaker. It will have a display output, Google Assistant button, under screen fingerprint reader, which is great, and also very unfortunate about the non-stereo speakers. And finally we have the Berlin, the North American version and a global version. The only difference is I think the North American one has a 6.78 inch Full HD plus display at 120Hz, and the global one is a 6.67. I don't see the point in that, but never mind. It has a center hole punch, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, which should be very powerful, 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 to 256 gigabytes of storage. The main cameras are 108 megapixels on the global one and the North American one, 16 megapixel ultra wide with a macro mode, and an 8 megapixel 3x telephoto zoom. Now on the American one, unfortunately you get the 8 megapixel wide and a 2 megapixel depth, so you get to miss out. But it's better though because you have a 5,000 mAh battery compared to the 4,000 on the global one, but you miss out on the better cameras. It has Android 11 out the box. It comes in an emerald colour, stout colour and white. Has a mono speaker and a Google Assistant button. And the North American version, it doesn't say. But anyway, that's all the leaks for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do leave a like, subscribe. I hope to see more future Motorola leaks about their flagship phone in the future. So I'll see you in the next one.